My name is Charlie McCoy. I'm the founder of Artisan Barber, and today we're giving you a review of the Andis Cordless Lithium-Ion Clipper. Now this clipper has 90 minutes of runtime, a powerful motor that won't drag or stall, carbon steel cutting blades, and it's cordless.
I really like the Masters a lot. Cordless, they still have a lot of power though. Very similar to the corded Masters. And it's really nice because it has these little ticks on the side, so you know exactly, you don't have to guess and check what length you're using. And you can come back to it if you need to. They're just very consistent, I guess I would say. Yeah, they're super lightweight, not too crazy heavy. I hate working with heavy machines. I feel like I don't have enough control, but plenty of control with these. The design is nice, it fits well in the hand. So I use the corded Masters, and they're definitely a lot heavier than these. And when you work with, machines that, might be a little bit too heavy for you, it just feels like you're working a lot slower. So right now I can already tell, these are really great because I feel like my work is coming out faster than it would if I was doing this with my corded ones. Honestly, so I love my Masters. I love the way that my Masters cut. I think it's great. These cut fabulous, but it's just, they don't have the weight, and they really don't have the core. These are really powerful and cordless, and they cut great. So yeah, I really like these a lot.